So today we are going to start with clinical anatomy of the bones of upper limb, major clinicals. So first is Colles fracture. In this, radius commonly gets fractured above 2 centimeter of lower end. So here we can see that this is the lower end of radius and this is just above the lower end. So this is Colles fracture. This is dorsal view and this is the radial view, that is side view. Here we can see that radius is fractured, which may be due to sudden fall from a height. So this is Colles fracture. Second one is a Smith fracture. In this, distal end of radius is displaced anteriorly, that is, it is the reverse of Colles fracture. So here we can see in this image, these both images, here we can see this is Colles fracture and this is Smith's fracture. This is the distal end which is displaced anteriorly. Here too we can see Smith's fracture, distal end displaced anteriorly, and in Colles fracture distal end displaced backwards and proximal end is displaced anteriorly. So this is Smith's fracture. Here again we can see this distal and anteriorly. Next is Bennett's fracture, which is the fracture of base of first metacarpal bone. First metacarpal is our thumb. So this is thumb and this is the fracture of base of first metacarpal. This is Bennett's fracture. And last one is Boxer's fracture, which is the fracture of the neck of metacarpal and mainly fifth metacarpal is involved, that is our little finger. So this is metacarpal number 5th and this is the fracture. This is happened in Boxer, so that's why name is Boxer's fracture. So these were all the important clinical anatomy of the bones of upper limb. Thank you.